The Antikythera Mechanism is an ancient Greek analog computer that was discovered in the early 20th century from the wreckage of a Roman shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. It is considered one of the most remarkable artifacts of ancient technology ever found. The mechanism is believed to have been constructed around the 2nd century BCE and is thought to be a device used for astronomical calculations and predictions. It consists of a complex system of gears and dials housed in a wooden box about the size of a shoebox. The mechanism is highly sophisticated, with over 30 gears and several inscriptions providing instructions on its usage. Initially, the purpose and function of the Antikythera mechanism were not fully understood. However, extensive research and analysis have shed light on its capabilities. It is now believed to have been used to predict the positions of the Sun, Moon and 5 known planets at different points in time, as well as to calculate lunar and solar eclipses. The Antikythera mechanism was a remarkable technological achievement for its time. Its advanced design and precision indicate a level of scientific and engineering knowledge that was not commonly associated with ancient civilizations. The complexity of the mechanism was comparable to the technology that emerged during the Renaissance, over 1,000 years later. The discovery of the Antikythera mechanism has had a significant impact on our understanding of ancient Greek science and technology. It demonstrates that the ancient Greeks had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and mechanical engineering. The device also serves as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations and their ability to create complex machines. Today, the Antikythera mechanism is housed in the National Archaeological Museum of Athens, Greece. Scientists and researchers continue to study and analyze the device using modern imaging and modeling techniques, hoping to uncover more of its secrets and gain further insight into the technological capabilities of the ancient world.